Hi, I'm Harper.
And I'm Tenzin.
And we're from the Santa Barbara Middle School Teen Press. And tonight we're here with...
I'm Chloe Brown.
Nice to meet you.
So, what would you like people, especially kids our age, to take away from this film?
I think probably just that remembering to be friendly to everybody around you and remembering that you really affect the people around you, and something as simple as a smile can go a really long way and impact somebody's life in a way that you didn't really, it seems more simple, but it's impactful to just be a joyful presence wherever you go.
It's beautiful. Can you tell us a little bit more about your film?
Well, it's a story about, it's a film that was made by my dad's really good friend about my dad who passed away, and he was a figure in the local surf community, and he just has a legacy of promoting a lot of joy and really impacting people's lives with his smile and his kind of like aloha spirit, and just reminding people that, life is short and you just want to make the best of it.
Thank you so much. It was great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.